What is cyber warfare? Should we be worried about it? Hi, I'm Latifa Bonu, studying third year IT in Sedu Institute of Technology. In the 21st century, without internet is mission impossible. Internet is became one of our day-to-day activities. However, nowadays, cyberspace has been increasingly viewed as an area of power competition, power contents, and open warfare. What is cyber warfare? Cyber warfare involves the uses of technology to attack countries, especially for military or strategy purpose, and cyber espionage. Such an attack could be instigated by terrorist groups or hackers groups aimed at and harming individual nation goals. Hackers are experts in withdrawing the necessary information about a specific country online and planning an attack. The following networks are a Greek facing a cyber attack from enemy nation, terrorists, and criminal groups. First point, the banking system, stock exchange, local booms could destroy records of transactions and money can be stored by checking networks. Second point, electrical utilizers and power plants, power grids can be damaged through local and regional blackouts. Telephone networks can be knocked down. Air traffic control centers, trains and subway crash due to misroading trains, battlefield attacks, computer control can be crypted. There are the seven types of cyber warfare attacks. And first point is cyber espionage. Cyber espionage is a form of cyber attack that steals classifies sensitive data or intellectual property to gain an advantage over a competitive company or a government entity. Espionage, according to Merriam-Webster, is the practice of spying or using spies to obtain information about the planes and activity, especially of a foreign government or completing company. North Korea. North Korea reportedly have an army of more than 6,000 hackers that raise money to pay for the country's nuclear program. A recent attack attributed to North Korea is APT-37, which look which took aim at South Korea, Japan, Vietnam, and the Middle East. The attack was purposely led by the well-known hacking group called Lazarus, which has been active over the last 5 years or so. The group has been citizen for hackers such as the Sony Pictures one in 2014, which needed tens of millions of dollars, and it may be responsible for the $81 million cyber hits of the Bangladesh is banks in 2016. They also are banked for the 2017 Whispered WannaCry attack, which wicked billions of dollars of the companies, banks, and hospitals around the world. Vietnam. On to Vietnam, and there is the Ocean Lotus, a cyber espionage groups which could be potentially be behind the attacks called APT-32 and APT-C00. These tests have been aimed at corporate and government organizations in Vietnam, the Philippines, Laos, and Cambodia, and focus on foreign cooperations with interest in Vietnam's manufacturing, customer products, and hospitality industry. Cyber sabotage. Cyber sabotage is yet another new wrinkle in the embracing threats from cyberspace, whether derived over the internet or purposefully installed during the manufacturing process. Contaminated hardware or software is now a concurrent. Sabotage is defined as deliberate and malicious attack that result in the descriptions of the normal process and functions or the descriptions or damage of incubant of information or information. This is the diagram of data sabotage. Example of cyber sabotage in this done. 2000 January 2008, digital picture frames were one of the hot items for this holiday season. However, some of them came with an unexpected surprise in Schengen and NSDPF 108 digital picture frames connected to computers via the standard USB port. The digital picture frames were communicated with the computer virus during the manufacturing process, according to a notice posted on the company's website. November 2007, Seagate Maxtor basis personal storage to 3,200 hard devices were infected with the Trojan horse virus. The hard virus has been temporarily pulled off the shelves and no longer available for purchase. Intelligent purchase responds that the Trojan was designed to copy information on the computer and set to the Big Gen's website without the user technology. Acknowledge. Denials of service attacks. A denials of service attack is an attack mean to shut down a machine's or network, make it inaccessible to its indicated user. DOS attacker accomplished this by flooding the Trojan with traffic or sending it information that trackers a crash in Denial of service DOS attacks. A denial of service DOS attack is an attack mean to shut down a machine or network, making it inaccessible to its indicated user. DOS attacker accomplished this by flooding the Trojan target with traffic or sending it information that triggers a cache. In both instances, the DOS attack derives users of the servicer or resources they expected. Wisdoms of DOS attacks offered a target web services of high profile organizations such as banking, commerce, and media companies or government and trade organizations. Though DOS attacker does not typically result in the thief or loss of significant information or other assets, they can lose the wisdom a great deal of time and money to handle. There are two general methods of DOS attacks: flooding service error, caching service. Flood attacks occur when the system receives too much traffic for the server to buffer, caching them to slow down and eventually stop. Popular flood attack include buffer overflow attack. The most common DOS attack, the concept is to send more traffic to a network address than the programmers have built the system to handle. It includes the attacker listed below, in addition to others that are designed to exploit bugs specified to certain applications or network. ICM flood leverages misconfigured network devices by sending the sport-filled package that ping every computer on the targeted network in slides of just one specific mission. The network is then targeted to amplify the traffic. This attack is also known as smoothful attack or ping of death. SNY float sends a request to connect to a service but never completes the handshake. Continues until all open roles are saturated with the request and none are responsible for illegitimate user to connect. There are 10 ways to prevent cyber attacks. Train your staff, keep your software and system full up to date, ensure endpoint protection, install a firewall, back up your data, control access to your systems, Wi-Fi security, employee personal accounts, access management, and last password. And thank you for giving this opportunity.